Yo, what's up? This is Anthony coming again with another video. I wanted to talk about redeem lawful money. I follow a guy named Ryan Solutions on Instagram. Pretty much, that's where I learned how to redeem lawful money. For my dad, he was tax exempt for the whole year. I don't know why he did it, but he did it, and he owed $1,800, $1,700 or $1,800, and he redeemed lawful money while he was tax exempt, and they zeroed out his account, so he didn't owe no money. So I thought that was pretty cool. I was talking to a lawful CPA, and he said it's easier to do it that way, to go tax exempt, than to do it that way. But I don't know if that guy even has experience doing that or not. But I am gonna do it for the year. I was holding off on it because I wanted to see what the results were for my dad, but it turned out to be good. He doesn't owe no money, and actually some little bit of money was left over, and he owed money from unemployment, so that interest went to that. But what's the interesting thing about that though, the interest was building up for 3 years, and they only charged him $150. So the rest of the rest of the lawful money that was left over went and paid off like another couple thousand dollars of interest, which was pretty crazy. So like that kind of shows you lawful money paid for, like $150 of lawful money paid for like a couple $1,000s worth of fees, which I thought was pretty cool. But yeah, go ahead and contact me if you want to learn more about it, or go on my website. But the information is free with Ryan Solutions, so you can check him out. He's on Instagram, Ryan Solutions. I go live with him sometimes. Well, I only live with him once, and we just need to go live again. We talk to each other every now and then. But I just got a new phone, so hopefully this new phone works. For some reason, my other phone wasn't working when I went live with him. After one time. So one time, well, yeah, actually, all those times. But yeah, anyways, redeem lawful money. Get that gross amount back. That gross amount on your checks. Get that back the end of the year. So get your regular tax refund plus the other 30% that they take out of your paychecks every year. But yeah, go ahead and check out my website. It's in the comments below, in the description box below. I share a lot of information: discharge of debt, do not detain list, trust, different things like that. You contact me there. I can help you with court cases, things like that. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace out.